today. This is a muskrat air gunner. Look who we got here. Rick Rehm, shooter 1721. He come down here to Rehm, Virginia today for our annual shoot. Look what he brought. He brought the red panda. We're going to see what he's got today. And that's what I hear. There's another guy supposed to be coming bringing another one. But we enjoy having Rick down and all these other people come here just to have fun and shoot guns and everything. What do you think, Rick?
I think this is pretty cool. When I pulled up, I'm like, well, where's the range at? And then I walk in, I'm like, hey, this is pretty cool. I like that. Look how it's set up. Beautiful.
It is.
That is beautiful.
It is on here. But like I say, we're just going to shoot a little bit today, but we'll be back a little bit later. This is a muskrat air gunner with Rick Rehm, shooter 1721. Muskrat air gunner back here with you again. I'm going to shoot the red panda 3 times and see what kind of group we get down there at 50 yards. Just to see what this gun shoots like. Here we go.
My phone case to be closer.
3 holes, same hole. It shoots. It shoots, Rick. It shoots.
I believe you.